Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking tandoori chicken. So let's start cooking. Before we go on, if you're new here and you'd like to get new recipe ideas every week, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have more than 300 recipes on our channel to help you with your meal planning. Make yourself at home here. We will start by preparing the marinade for the tandoori chicken. We will need half a cup of plain yogurt, half a teaspoon of cumin seed powder, add in also half a teaspoon of coriander seed powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chilli powder. Now if you don't want your tandoori chicken to be too spicy, you can half the amount, it's really up to you. 1 tablespoon of garam masala, this is Indian mixed spice, 4 cloves of garlic grated, 1 thumb-sized ginger grated, 1 teaspoon of salt, as well as juice from half a lemon. Pour them in and mix them up well. This will be the base of our marinade for the tandoori chicken. The word tandoori or tandoor means clay oven, but of course we do not have a clay oven at our place. We will be using our electric oven. Now that this is being mixed up, we'll add in our chicken. I have with me over here 2 full chicken legs. I've taken out the skin and cut across like this so that the marinade will go in easier. Just put them in. Now normally for this part I like to use my hand. Make sure you wash your hand first. Okay, mix them up well. Make sure that you get all this beautiful marinade into the chicken. Tandoori chicken is actually one of my favorite chicken dish. Basically after you've cooked it, it's really juicy and full of flavor. This marinade can also be used for fish, seafood, or even beef if you want to. It's a very beautiful marinade, very delicious and pretty easy to make actually. Garam masala, you can get it from any supermarket or even from your Indian spice shop. So once this is done, we'll leave it in the fridge to marinate for at least 2 hours to a maximum of 6 hours. I'll see you back in a while. We are now going to put our chicken into the oven. Preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Put the grill in and remember also to oil the grill so that the chicken do not stick. I've already preheated the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and I'm going to set them at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes and I'll bake them at 10 minutes interval. I'll see you back in a while. 10 minutes is up. We will now baste the chicken. I've made this chili oil. What I've done was I've added in 1 tablespoon of oil with 1 teaspoon of chili powder and mixed them up. So now we'll just baste this. This will help to give the chicken a reddish hue. Now we'll turn it to the other side. After you've done this, we'll continue to roast this at 180 degrees Celsius for another 10 minutes. We'll put the chicken back in the oven and continue to roast them. A total of 20 minutes is up. Let's have a look. I'm just going to baste this one more time. Let's turn this to the other side. It smells really, really good. Same thing, I prepared the chili oil also. Just get the oil over the chicken. Okay, I'm just going to put this all back. I'm going to put this slightly higher. And I'm going to finish this at 200 degrees Celsius for another 10 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. Okay, the 10 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Wow, beautiful. We'll serve this now. Very tender and succulent. Remember, don't cut this up straight away. You need to rest this for another 5 to 10 minutes before cutting it up so that the juices will remain in the meat. I'll see you back in a while. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Smells so great. Must be super delicious. Just gonna take one big bite out of this. It's juicy, succulent, and very tender. And the spice mix is fantastic. This is really, really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Very authentic. Very authentic. Before you go, consider following us on Facebook and Instagram to know what we are cooking even before they get posted on YouTube. See you there.